Who are you talking to? Is that Daisy?
Well, Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse?
Mickey Mouse?
Yeah, that's Mickey Mouse.
Daisy?
Daisy.
Oh no, the balloon is
Oh no, the balloon.
The
The balloon.
other cute.
The balloon.
The balloon.
The balloon.
No, boy.
Oh, brat. Get out, brat, you are.
Smiley face.
No!
Yeah.
No!
All right, be nice. I'm Grandma's gonna cry. Okay?
What are you doing, silly?
For today. Looky. Josh,
Oh no,
look. It's Jello.
that's Jello.
Have you ever had Jello?
Yeah.
Has he?
Yeah.
You have?
Yeah.
Do you like Jello?
I like Jello.
You like Jello?
Yeah.
You gonna
Really?
help Grandma cook it? You want to come in here and help Grandma cook it?
No, Jello.
Want to cook Jello?
Yeah.
You want to come help Grandma?
Yeah.
Come on. Boing. Play with your blues for a minute and Grandma get this ready, okay?
Ready. I don't know. Jello. Go. Ready.
Call back Rick.
Nope. He did not.
You can't figure out how, if he has his phone,
Yeah.
he had his earphone in his pocket, but it wasn't turned off. I'm thinking about it. So, then he, hello, I can hear him going, hello.
What are you doing with your balloon? Whoa.
Stop.
It's because you're standing on it.
This one, yeah. This one. This one, yeah.
Hit it, soft and hard, bam. Soft and hard, bam, bam.
Yeah, I did it.
Did you do it?
Did it?
No.
Are you gonna go, make it go boom.
Boom.
You went boom.
Yeah. I did it, yeah.
You, do you like balloons?
That's a face.
Do you like balloons?
That's
It's
a face.
a face.
Face.
It's a smiley face.
It's saying hi to you.
Yeah, that's your balloon.
2 balloons. What about the third balloon?
What is it, a star?
Yeah, it's a star.
How you do it?
How you do what?
How you do it from out there?
How do you get it up there? That's a question for another time. It's called helium.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you know what helium is? Josh?
Yeah.
Do you know what helium is?
No. Yeah.
You do? What is it?
With the sleeves. With the V.
Wee.
That's the couch.
What are you doing, Josh? You can help me make the Jello when I clean the stove?
Yeah.
Okay, so when I clean the stove, we'll make it Jello.
Josh. Josh.
Yellow Jello. Okay? Okay? Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where did it go down? Whoa, whoa.
Whoa, whoa.
Josh, it's like candy. We're gonna make candy.
Kill me.
Have they ever made candy?
Popcorn?
No, wait,
Not popcorn.
we made a desk too.
What are you doing, silly? Throw it. Throw it.
Fish.